Supposed to be, kasama ako doon sa magbibigay ng message of support. Pero sabi ko, hindi na lang kasi ako pa lang yung mag-introduce sa ating guest of honor ngayong umaga. Pero nonetheless, really I would like to congratulate lahat ng mga stakeholders natin na nagsama-sama matupad yung event natin this morning. Lalong-lalo na yung hindi ko na pasasalamatan yung mga mayors natin, yung mga mayors na nandito, pero yung mga and other leaders, sila yung talagang pasasalamatan ko. At saka yung ibang mga surrenderies natin na the acknowledgement na mga previous speakers sa ating mga kasundan, mga officers na nandito, sa ating PN, the OPA Pro family na nandito din. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ang ating our guest of honor this morning is not only of mine, but he is also a friend of many ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Saka meron din this morning, hindi ko na sasabihin, pero meron po kaming sikreto na nangyayawang black van. Sila lang po yung nakakaalam nun, yung mahigaw namin ating secretary. Ayan si Mayor Magdala po, alam niyo. Alhamdulillah, at pinagbigyan niya tayo ngayong umaga. Mel Senen Sarmiento, public servant since 1992. He was Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government from 2015 to 2016. He was conferred one Presidential Medal of Merit awarded by President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. As representative of the 1st District from 2010 to 2015, he authored the Strengthened Anti-Trafficking in Persons and the Strengthened Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act, which eventually became laws as Republic Act 10364 and Republic Act 10630, respectively. He was the original author of the revised Code of the Philippines and the National Performing Arts Companies Act, which were enacted into law as Republic Act 11232 and Republic Act 113.